Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the many ratios canvas mockup in Photopea. First, go to photopea.com in any web browser, and then you're going to click Open from Computer and open the mockup. I've already got it open in this tab. We're going to be doing a lot of our work in this handy Layers panel here, so if you don't see the Layers panel, go to Window, and then click on Layers to bring it up. And then you just want to find your desired canvas layout. So if you want to use a square canvas, you just click this box next to the 1:1 ratio square layer to turn that on. And then we'll click the eye icon next to the A4 portrait layer to turn it off. And then click the arrow in the square layer to expand the layer group. And then you'll see this thumbnail icon. We're just going to double click the thumbnail icon in the Design-Canvas layer. And that's going to open up our Smart Object where you can copy and paste your design. And then just go to File, Open. And then find the design. Once it loads, go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and click back on the Smart Object tab. And then go to Edit, Paste. And you might need to resize this. So to do that, just go to Edit, Free Transform. And I'm going to press Control- to zoom out a little bit. It would be Command- on a Mac. And then just hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional. And click and drag any one of the four corners. And then once you've got your design sized down, you can just go to File, Save Smart Object. And once it says Smart Object Updated, just click the X to close the Smart Object tab, and then close the original graphics. And it'll put your design on the canvas that easily. And then if you want to change the background, you can just click the arrow in the backgrounds layer, and then just click the eye icons on and off next to the different layers to toggle through them. If you're going to be using this online as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So to do that, just go to File, Export as JPEG. If you want to save a layered PSD file with your design, you can come back here a second time and go to File, Save as PSD. And that's all there is to adding your design to the Many Ratios Canvas bundle in Photopea. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.